Hey, I'm Mike, 4th generation knife grinder and founder of Post Knife. Providing sharp knives to professionals and home chefs is my family trade, and that's exactly what Post Knife does. Sharp knives are essential in commercial kitchens. Your safety and efficiency depend on it. Post Knife makes having sharp knives all the time really easy. Here's how it works. Go to postknife.com and choose a set of knives. 8 knives, 12 knives, or 20. We have pre-selected knife sets that work for most, but you can customize. Place an order, and the first set of knives will be shipped to your door. We call it Knife Day. When you receive the first shipment, unbox the knives, warn everyone that they're extremely sharp, and start chopping. In time, you're going to notice that the knives are not as sharp as when you first received them. This is normal. You're running a busy commercial kitchen, and high-volume food prep dulls knives. This is what makes Post Knife work. Just when the first set of knives gets dull, a new Knife Day arrives, and a fresh set of knives is delivered to your door. Take the fresh knives out of the box, put the used knives back into the same box, adhere the return shipping label, tape it up, and stick it in the mailbox. Just like that, you're back to having safe, sharp knives. On your chosen schedule, the subscription renews, and the process repeats. Receive sharp knives, return used knives. Receive sharp knives, return used knives. With Post Knife, you're not just getting the best knife, you're getting the knife with the best service. Sign up today and always have sharp knives.